Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. This is Ganesh Yadav. In this video, we are going to discuss create a SharePoint online communication site. First of all, open your SharePoint with respect to Microsoft credential. A SharePoint online communication site is a place to where we can convey the information like news, updates to the entire organization. Like if an organization wants to share news about a company's quarterly result, then they create a communication site and share the information, so the information will reach the entire organization instead of a specific team. Now I will show you exactly how to create a communication site from SharePoint Online homepage. For that, click on the Create Site button. Here you can see there are team site and communication site is there. Now click on the communication site. Here provide the site name. And it automatically takes the site address as the site name. And site description helps to know about the purpose of create a site. And select a language, it shows by defaultly English, and you can also change other languages also. Then click on the finish button. This is how the SharePoint Online Communication site appears. And you can also create a SharePoint communication site from the SharePoint Admin Center. For that, click on the App Launcher and select the Admin. And here expand the options and select the SharePoint Admin Center. Now in the SharePoint Admin Center window, click on the sites and it shows two options like active sites and deleted sites. Now click on the active sites and select the create button and click on the communication site. Here provide the site name like and site address it will automatically take, and provide the site owner like. Then select a language. By default it shows English, you can also change the other languages. Then click on the advanced settings. Here you can see time zone and site description also is available, and if you want to add description, just add here. Then click on the finish button. Now click on our communication site. This is how SharePoint Online Communication site appears. Yes, this is all about how to create a communication site from SharePoint homepage and as well as SharePoint Admin Center. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you.